That Christmas and a sound merry to me, you know. Say it like you mean it. Say it like it really merry.
Merry Christmas.
You can sing?
No.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride. What cheer? You don't know the song?
No, this is a Christmas song.
You don't listen to Christmas song? So you not even know that song there? That song, the most popular one? If I say it slow, you're going to know it?
Probably.
Alright. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a
One horse open.
one horse open. Woo! Say it again. One horse. You don't say it again. I don't know what she said a while ago, but we'll take it as on a one horse open sleigh. Where you plan for the holidays though?
Not sure.
Not sure? But few days away.
You see it? And
Yeah.
I haven't seen anything as yet.
Okay, well, because you haven't seen anything as yet, this is an opportunity for you to see something. Now, this is a shipping company, and we're inviting you to be a part of the family. This allows you to ship anything from overseas into Jamaica. Anything. From the smallest a package to one couch, one fridge, one washing machine. What you want for holidays?
Me?
Yeah.
Bed.
She said she wants a bed. We do that as well. Yeah. Can ship a bed. What size bed you want?
Queen size.
Queen size. Well, you're a queen. Why not a queen size? If you just say king size, might have a problem with you, you know. Anyway, we're wishing you all the best for the holidays, all right?
Same to you.
Big up yourself. You have anybody you want to say happy holidays to? A foreign? Happy, nobody a foreign? Not big up nobody a foreign?
No, sir.
So you know shop online?
No, sir.
Not even for big up Amazon? Not even for big up Shein? She know nobody a foreign. Nobody never send no money to Western Union?
And that I think nobody knows me.
Come, give us some love. Nobody don't know her, but we still love her. We know you here.
Alright.
Take care of yourself. Have a wonderful one.
Same to you.
Good girl. We know her. We love her. Merry Christmas to her.